So excited to show you guys a homemade honey oatmeal mask today. What's really great about this mask is it's probably ingredients that you already have at home. So all we're gonna do is start out with a clean face. You want no makeup on, you want your skin to be primed, prepped, ready to go. I'm using about a half a cup of oats. I get my raw honey. This is about a teaspoon of honey. So I'm just gonna scrape that into the oats. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a little bit of hot water and pour in maybe about a teaspoon to start. Then I'll just apply it to my face and we'll get some really nice, smooth, and even skin. So the benefits of using this honey oatmeal mask are that the oatmeal is really soothing and calming to your skin. When you use raw honey, it actually is a really great antifungal. It also is soothing. Then it helps you clear up your acne. So now that I've got this oatmeal honey mixture about the right consistency that I like, I'm just gonna start to gently pat it onto my face. You actually can blend the oats up in a blender and it'll make it a thicker paste, but because I like to keep things as simple as possible, I just let the whole oat flakes be on my skin like this. So we're just putting this all on, making a mess. And as I pat it on, I mean, it's just gonna fall everywhere. That's what we want. I usually do 10 minutes if I'm in a hurry, but if I really wanna have a relaxing, enjoying, maybe soak in the bath, then I'll even put some of the oats in the bath, read a book, light a candle, and make it a whole spa-like experience. So, I know I look really pretty right now. We're gonna take about 10 minutes and let this soak in, and then I'll show you guys my glowing skin afterwards. Okay, you guys, so we just finished up our 10 minutes. Our mask is all soaked in. You're probably gonna start to feel your skin maybe tightening up just a little bit. You'll start to feel that honey soaking in. So now we just got a bowl of warm water and a towel, and I'm going to get the towel pretty damp with this warm water to take it off so it'll be nice and easy and smooth. Now remember that you do not want to press down too hard because it does actually pull down on your skin. And when it pulls down on your skin, you're creating more of those wrinkles and fine lines, and nobody wants that. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can already tell that it feels like my skin is just looking a little bit more clear. It looks nice and clean. And from the honey, I think that my skin is already a little bit tighter. My skin is looking and feeling great. I hope you guys try it at home.